Audio check. Can you hear me? Good morning. Good morning. Can you hear me? Let me see something here. Good morning. Check. Can you hear me? Good morning. Good morning. Can you hear me? Hello. Let me see something here. Good morning. Hello. Let me see something here. Good morning. I guess I'm going to be talking over myself, but I don't know. We'll see. As long as you can hear me, I guess I'll continue the stream. But, I don't know. It is a good morning, folks. We have 8/21, August 21st. Jackson Hole Symposium is happening right now. Or not happening right now, will be happening today. I'm logged in. Show my disclaimers. Alright. Again, I'm leaving MDS right up here as is. I'm gonna go Jackson Hole Symposium is day one. Today it's all day. Yeah, it is starting today, but supposedly it's after the 11 o'clock hour, but I don't know why. Consumer confidence, yellow gravy, PMI, Fed, manufacturer, some good stuff. Unemployment claims happen at 8:30, so the only thing we're looking forward to is just in home sales, but let's get into the nitty gritty of it. That's NQ. Barometer here. What am I expecting? Market opens in 5 minutes. Alright, so NQ did make lows. ES made lower lows. NQ didn't. S&T's at the lows for NQ and MES or MNQ. We'll see what happens then. Now, let's begin. Yellow, blue. Just testing some different things here with the audio, but we'll see what happens. Let me see what other things happening here with the live stream. I don't know. This is all trial and error, guys. Yellow, blue. Just testing some different things here with the audio, but we'll see what happens. Let me see. And Q and let me see what other things happening here with the live stream. I don't know. This is all trial and error, guys. Yellow, blue. Just testing some different things here with the audio, but we'll see what happens. Let me see. Let's just get right into it then, I suppose. I look at the new day opening gaps and my wogs, my dogs and wogs. All the dogs are above marketplace. The wogs are still kind of below, but all right. Let's see, 1150. That's a nice. Oh, that was yesterday. Okay. But I should see this being bullish today. That's good reversal. Monday, Tuesday, big bear days. Even Wednesday. Then we went flip on Wednesday. But symposium is today, so I'm hoping right there. I'm looking. Okay, so let's call both places the marketplaces now. Devil's advocate. 64.18 and 3/4. Um, and if we are extremely bullish, I'm sorry, if you're extremely bearish, I'm gonna call 63 even. It's my alarm. All right, guys, market is open. Ding, 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 ding. Let's go, 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 let's go. I gotta keep my commentary in the chat. High, low, high, high. Maker. Could go there, but they didn't even pierce. Oh, pierce that and now going lower. Okay. Value gap. Review how that. I'm gonna try to keep the disclaimers and the nonsense to a bare minimum tonight. Just keep things plain and simple and keep it going. I don't know. I'm feeling a little woozy, feeling a little defeated today. Um, I got so much stress, man. Like, I'm not even thinking about trading today, but I have to show up here for myself and just do the work, man. Tape read today, possibly. But SMTs at the lows, NQ dropped lower, ES not so low, but we'll look at it as our time comes. Right, so it's going back up. honestly don't know what the hell is happening today. I'm happy about that. I need more information. I mean, I could see this buy side right here. That's all I could. 6408 and a half right now. Well, with consumer sales and ooh, I'm gonna have to excuse myself real briefly. I'm gonna let the charts paint here. So I have returned, and large overlapping candles means we're expecting a HRLR. We're not in our golden set yet. We have one more minute. Well, a minute and like 6 seconds, well, or 3 seconds, 2 seconds, minute now even. Um, as I said, I'm looking this here on the 5, 4, 3, 2. Yeah, I'd be really inclined to do the silver bullet. First percentage fair value get. Let's go ahead and just mark that out right now. I don't like what I'm seeing in price today. It's honestly giving me not so good vibes, but we'll have to see and take it as it comes. I'll be green light to trade in a couple seconds here. I honestly believe this is a breaker high. I mean, low, high, lower, low to the upside. Bull breaker. Uh-huh. I had a feeling that was going to drop. This is a very high resistance liquidity run. So let's see what happens. And now it wants to go. I want to see it break the breaker. They broke everyone going on the downside. Or trying to go long. But let me see. Taking two of my ticks. This is why I'm trading the lowest leverage. 1 on a 1. $3 loss. SL. Okay. I could take that. Let me look. Higher dollar meaning lower prices on everything else. YM's going high. MES. I don't know, it's not letting me set a sell. I don't understand that. Three of a kind. I like to call that my order block. Not ICC's order block. That's my order block right there. And it is dropping, pumping. All right. It is 9:47 right now. Nothing to do. I'm looking at a silver bullet. I took a loss. I took a win. I want to see what happens at 10 o'clock, and we'll go from there, guys. That's all I could tell you. Another order block. Supporting price. Still going lower. Alright, let's just see what happens. This is melting. This is very lethargic at this time. 10 o'clock. Let's see it go in. Alright, yeah. So it was bearish. As we see, it is dropping. Yes, it's not dropping though. And Q did. Alright. SMT on lows. Let's see what happens right here. See, Jackson Hole Symposium has started today. We haven't consumer. Let me see if anything loads for me today. Alright, the next news is natural gas 1030, but I'm not that. Stevie consumer confidence just came through. Alright, let's just see what happens right now. What I want to see is I want to either see it return to here if it really is bullish, or I want to see it return down here. Okay. Yeah, price is skipping now. That's a large volume imbalance right there. So that's what would have been a total stop. So I'm really happy I closed that trade out. As again, the dogs are above marketplace, the wogs are below. So, you know, that's where we are. Now it's taking buy side. So now I think it's just going to pump all the way up. There's no way I could have been a part of this. Is how I'm seeing it to you. But yeah, this is a breaker right here. It needs to touch this fair value gap in order for me. Right now we're a silver bullet. If it touches this fair value gap and go back up, then yeah, I'm taking it. Technically, I could enter right there because now it's breaking the breaker. I don't need a retest of that breaker, but it still needs to come. For me to take this trade, it needs to come back down here, or it needs something here, you know, to be retouched, right? So order blocks, right? So this is three of a kind. My order block, it touched the opening price, but it opened and ran. Again, no wick, no retest. Concerning, let's see, now it's coming back down. SMT is at the low, the breaker. So I'm really thinking this thing is bullish right now, not bearish. But we have to just see. It needs to come back into a discount right here. And I have to just wait and see what happens, unfortunately. That's just how it is. All the stress and testing you giving me. How am I supposed to live my life? How am I supposed to breathe? How am I supposed to sleep? All the stress and tests, I don't know what I could, shouldn't do. Why am I struggling? Someone help me out. Please, Lord, don't leave your mercy in me alone. I don't even know what I'm saying. The midweek blender. Okay, I need to get off my phone. You see, this is what I hate the most. The minute I pick up my phone, I get distracted. So I guess OBS is giving me some difficulties with the stream. Now it's successful again, but we'll just have to see what happens. Um, Again, this is recording my screen, I believe. But yeah, OBS, I don't know what's gonna happen. Right now it's showing me excellent. I have 3 views. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Whoever is tuning into this live stream here, I love you. Thank you so much. Three views. I am so happy. Made my day. That's all I can say. Alright. Alrighty. Alright, let me go back. 5. Alright, there's this big bullish candle with the volume imbalance. 4, 3, 2, 1. I need a retest of one of these puppies right here. At 10:01, it entered this one right there. And it cleared all of that buy side right up there. But I'm looking for like something like this. But we'll see. 64.19 even. Yeah, 64.19 even is what I'm looking at. Yeah, that's a good buy side. That's smooth edges, man. But I have to see some developments be made before I could do anything. It's 24.530. I really shouldn't have pulled that off right now, uh, but yeah, let's see what happens. Silver bullet is what I'm going to be using. Let me just bring this back up here. I know I said I wasn't going to do this too much, but let's leave that up there. Again, you should not be taking these seriously in any way, any shape, way, or form. But let's get back here. Price is very lethargic now. Let's look at my barometers. Higher dollar now, maybe lower dollar, so higher prices in ES maybe. There's some sell side right here that going back into that imbalance, what might push ES to go for that sell side. YM is just, whew, it delivered really well on that YM. It was clean too actually, but like I don't trade the YM. ES, 3 drives lower with the SMT, so yeah, that was to be expected. I hope OBS doesn't disconnect me again, but we'll see what happens when that happens. So I guess it's leaving me now. It's not coming back down. It's gone. It is gone. If I were to push the button right now for where it's at, that is chasing price. Don't know how to keep, don't know how to tell you any other way, but that's just what it is. It's got a minute left in the candle. It is going to take off and just go, 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 go. Well, I really wish I wouldn't have done that one. I hit something on N2 by mistake that I really wish I didn't, but it is what it is. He is what it is. So now it is telling me YouTube is not recording. Let me see what's going on. Is it my internet or is it OBS? Fantastic. That's all I could say. The stream is still going. Let me see what's going on. Fantastic. That's all I could say. I don't know what's going on with this thing. The stream is still going. Let me see what's going on. I don't know. I'm still live, I guess. I don't know what to say. This is a little bit pickly. Yep, I'm taking off my limit order. It's taking off. It's not coming back. So we'll just watch price go at this point. It leaves without us. It's okay. There'll be another setup at some point in time. We have another macro coming up in a couple minutes. We'll wait till then. Not an issue. Price I just got cleared out. whatnots. It's all about the learning experience here now. SMT on the highs is what I'm calling right now, but we'll see what happens here in a bit. I believe that was going to make a flip on a dime to go low, but we'll just wait and see. There are no IPTA data ranges here nearby. Well, there was down there. Nothing to do, nowhere to go, just hang out and chill out. Four people are viewing me, so thank you for joining me here in my stream. We're currently just watching to see what happens. I've already annotated buy side. I had one trade, two trades on. Nothing too spectacular happened, but we'll see what happens now. just observing price, how it's behaving. We'll just watch. So I took a trade, yes. For value gap, sell side, buy side right there. IPTA, if you look on NQ, if you ever get the chance on the 1 minute or even on the 5, you kind of see a 3 drives. But on the 1 minute, it's very clear for a 3 drives. There's an IPTA right there. The midpoint between our WOGs, first percentage per value gap, impulsive move. I really don't think we'll come back and touch this at all today. I want to see this buy side taken up before I end this stream. If you're still with me, great. Let me show some execution. I did sell, then I took 10. Listen, man, as soon as I take 10, within I'm a double digit range, I will pull out. That's just me panicking, but it gives me profit, right? So I took like 4 trades again, man. That's kind of over. That's zealous. Whoo, I need to stop that. Let me get rid of this so we can look at price a little bit more cleaner. Yeah, man, like, I don't know, what was I thinking? Let me go down in the 1 minute here so you can better understand all the executions that I took. Here's one. One was a SL, 3 or 4 were TP. I took one on an NQ mistake. I took 8 point, and I walked away and I said, I'm done with that. As you can see, we are going higher. I've annotated buy side. We'll just watch until it hits it on the 1 minute. Let me reset the chart. No, I don't like it the way that looks. Right here. right? And then that's another execution right there, like 7 ticks. Uh, I'm currently still in drawdown overall in the account. Today's at 34.59. Domino's Pizza tonight, baby, and maybe some breadsticks if I'm feeling a little, famished throughout the week. I mean, tomorrow's Friday. I don't know what I'm gonna do tomorrow. I may want to go to the gym and just stretch and just feel good, man. I'm stressing a lot right now regarding my car. Like a lot of things in my past year keep coming up. The minute I woke up today, my eyes open, my blood pressure kind of jumped up thinking about things from the past which are completely irrelevant. Now at this time in the future, I'm still stressing and testing about what's to come. I am hurting deep down within, and I'm just trying to find a way out, right? So, and this is where I take my pain, and I shouldn't. That's a low, high, lower, low breaker for value gap. I don't think they'll come back and touch that. I just, that's it. I mean, if you wanted to look at order blocks down close to supporting price, three of a kind, that's my order block, how I studied and learned it, right? Price supported it halfway through it, so we'll just, for the sake of just sake. Um, doesn't even trade to halfway, barely touches it, and now price is dropping again. Again, it's maybe may not time for the market to deliver that buy side right there, but ultimately that's where I'm putting my buy side for today. Once it gets hit, I'll be happy. We have the lunch hour coming up on us, and we have the PM session, so maybe that's what it's waiting for, ultimately. Um, but as you can see right now, we are going higher and lower and higher and lower and higher and lower. I know that's annoying, but growing pains, right? NQ just took its buy side, so oh no, it didn't. It just generated more liquidity on the upside. Now it's dropping. No more SMT. Oh, there's an SMT on the high, but again, I mean, I already told you where I want to get in, get out, so we'll just see. Let's see, 5 minutes. Yeah, it's coming right back down to, right there. Wonder, sometimes. I wonder. Alright, now I got a bear breaker. Shift the market structure, look, sweep of liquidity. Um, Actually, this could be a nice selling opportunity right here. Targeting the first presented fair value gap. Let me just see what happens here. I may take this, or I may not. Who knows? No, I believe this is going to taint my win, so I'm just going to pull out while I'm good. On 3 ticks. Yep. 37.30. Okay, I'm done for the day. I'm no longer pushing the button. We'll just sit and observe. But I'm pretty sure it's going to come back down here and touch this, or present it down here. But we'll just see. I'm taking off my executions. I'm over trading now. And, up, there it is. There's the drop. Again, this is very lethargic. Um, I don't like what I'm seeing right now. Next week we got a lot coming up next week. I'll try to pull that up on the stream here as soon as time passes us by, but we'll go from there. Um, I slept yesterday 5 hours and 1 minute. It was very moderate. I have to focus on my energy levels, yeah. It's going to be 66 today, low of 62. Feels like 66 right now. And we'll just get the day started, folks. I'm just looking at a 30-second chart to see what the hell is going on. What the hell is this? The hell? Oh shit! I am messing up my the view tape. I want the timer up there. All right, bellwether chart 15. So yeah, it's repricing to that right there. All right, all right, all right. That's exactly what I want to see. That's exactly what Didi wants to see. All right, it's going down. It's going down. All right, it's just got to come right here. Right here. I don't know. But we'll see what happens. We have 7 minutes to go before this candle completely closes on the 15th. I honestly want to push the buy button, but I don't want to because I'm over trading at this point, and you know what that does. Full tilt, baby. Full fucking tilt. Sorry, excuse me for my language. I don't want to be a cursor, but that's full flipping tilt. And if it comes back down here, I don't know what to do, but just stay away from the charts. Let me do one more thing actually. 3730. That's what I'm calling it today, guys. Log auto, trade of 8. There you go. I'm no longer, I'm a little goofy. Paper trading. Right here, there you go. Oh. Paper trading. Alright, connect. Yeah. Just so y'all know, that's what my paper, that's what it's like, man. Sometimes that just is what it is. Alright, so it is repricing down there. Cool. We are going bearish. That's it right there. Off close candle, support and price, yeah. Well, this is great. Wonderful. Yeah. See if it does want to deliver down there, and then what happens, we'll see. This is also breaker low, high, low, low. minutes left until we close this candle. So we'll just see what happens. One, two, three. Three drives higher. Like I said, there was an SMT on the high right there between MQ and my apologies, MES, M, and Q. There were two SMTs, or I don't even know, my brain's fried a little bit, but there is a SMT on the high. It's going down. It's going down, down, down. No, I'm trying to read books right now. So we have a pretty market one real quick. Touching the breaker, which is pretty nice. That's what I'm looking at, y'all. For value gap, breaker, inversion gap breaker, first presented for value gap, and I just want to see it go. But again, you still have these, so I could be wrong entirely, but we're trading off a 15-minute right now, so we'll just wait and see. And I really hope OBS captured all of this and that I'm able to view this later on, man. It'd be really sucky if OBS started giving me a really tough, difficult time. I don't know how to do live streams in a public setting yet. I gotta figure that out. But we'll see what happens as it happens. But for right now, let's just observe this. Do you want to know about the best thing about rock bottom? Um, And I saw this in an Instagram reel, by the way. I forgot who it was, so I'm sorry if I'm stealing this from someone and you blame me, but I am stealing this for motivational purposes. Um, the best thing about rock bottom is it's a great foundation to begin building on. You know, it's really sturdy, the best foundation that there is, and it's pretty cool that you could build upon this. So I believe I'm there, but I'm not there yet. But we'll just see as time progresses what happens. But if you're at rock bottom, just know best foundation you could have to start building upon. God, there's so many lines on this thing. Okay. You know what's funny? I have some leftover bread. I want to see if I can get me some of that. It's in the fridge. It's cold, but it's okay. Please forgive me if if you hear a little bit chewing noises. I'm sorry about that. Yeah, that's from just foil. Some cold bread. Nothing too special or fancy about it. Just cold bread. Can y'all hear me? I hope y'all can hear me. I'm hoping y'all can hear me. Alright. I'm just gonna call it a day with 37. Close position. Be done with that. I want other things. I'll leave that up there. Alright. Account history. That's $47 on a paper trading account. Let me see what that looks like on the 1 minute. That looks really lethargic. A lot of retracements back and forth. But yeah, I do believe that it's going to start delivering all the way to the top now. As I could see, respecting order blocks. And then, yeah. Well, guys, I'm going to quit the stream for the day. For the 4 of you that stick around with me, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I love and appreciate every single one of you. There's 4 of you. I love you. You guys are amazing, truly. You hung out with me, 4 of you folks, for an hour, maybe hour and a half. You are truly one of a kind. You're beautiful. And as always, I am here for you, not the other way around. Um, I love you guys. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I don't know about tomorrow. I don't think I'll be streaming tomorrow. I had 4 days of profit. They're not much profit. They're just pizza money. Um, and we are no longer in a silver bullet hour. So if you're trading, please, please be careful. And again, I love every single each one of you. You give me so much. Thank you.